Hello friends, today we solve question number 2 to question number 5 of problem set 17. Let's see question number 2. Find an equivalent fraction with denominator 18 for each of the following fractions. Now see, we have to find out the equivalent fraction of these fractions with denominator 18. Means first fraction is 1 upon 2 and we have to find equivalent fraction with denominator 18. Means we have to find out this value of numerator. Now see, 1 upon 2. Which number multiply by 2 to get 18? If we multiply by 9 to 2, we get 18. Therefore, we have to multiply here numerator also by 9 because these two fractions are equivalent fraction. Therefore, we multiply denominator at 9. Therefore, we have to multiply numerator at by 9. Therefore, 9 ones are 9. Means the numerator is 9. Now, second example, 2 upon 3 with 18 equivalent fraction and we have to calculate the numerator. Now see, 2 upon 3. Now 3 by which number we multiply to get 18? 6. If we multiply by 6 to 3, we get 6 3 is 18. Therefore we have to multiply here numerator also by 6. 6 2 is 12. Means the answer is here 12. Now next fraction, 4 upon 6 is equal to, denominator is 18 and we have to find out the numerator. Now 4 upon 6. Now to get 18 we have to multiply 6 by 3. 6 3 is 18. Therefore here we at numerator we multiply by 3. 4 3 is 12. The answer is here 12. These two fractions are equal fractions. Therefore we multiply denominator and numerator by same number. Now next fraction, 2 by 9. Now 2 by 9. Now which number by multiply to get 18 to 9? 2. Therefore at numerator we multiply by 2. 9 2 is 18. 2 2 is 4. Means the answer is 4. Okay. Now next fraction, 7 by 9. Now the denominator is 18. Now 7 by 9. Which number multiply to get 18 to the 9? 2. 9 2 is 18. Therefore numerator we also multiply by 2. 7 2 is 14. We get answer 14. Now next fraction is 5 upon 3 is equal to 18. Now which number multiply by 3 to get 18? See, 6. Therefore numerator we also multiply by 6. 6 3 is 18. 6 5 is 30. Therefore numerator is 30. Understood? These fractions are equivalent. Therefore here I multiply by 6 at the denominator, numerator also multiply by 6. Understood? In the all fractions we multiply by the same number at numerator and denominator to get equivalent fraction. Now question number 3. Find an equivalent fraction with denominator 5 for each of the following fraction. Now we have to given the fractions and with denominator 5 equivalent fraction we have to find out and denominator is 5 for the given fraction. First fraction is 6 upon 15 and denominator is 5 and we have to calculate equivalent fraction or numerator. Now see, this is 15 and we have to require here 5. Now in this question we have to divide. See, 6 upon 50 divided by 5, we get, divided by 3, then we get 5. 3 5s are 15. Understood? In the question number 2, we multiply to get equivalent fraction. Now in this question we divide. We learn 2 methods of equivalent fraction, by dividing or by multiplying. Now in this question we have to divide to get equivalent fraction. 3 5s are 15. Now here numerator also divided by 3. 3 2s are 6, means our answer is here 2. Now next fraction, 10 upon 25. Now with denominator 5 and we have to calculate this numerator. Now which number divide to get 5? Yes, if we divide 25 by 5, we get 5 5s are 25. Therefore numerator we also divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. The answer is 2. Now next fraction, 6 upon 10. Now in this fraction, to get 5, we have to divide 10 by 2. 2 5s are 10. Numerator also divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. We have to write the 3 in the box. Now next fraction, 21 upon 35. Now we divide this 35 to get 5 by 7. 7 5s are 35. Therefore numerator also divided by 7. 7 3s are 21. So we have to write down here 3. Understood? In question number 2, we do the multiplication method to equivalent fraction, and in this question we use divide method to get equivalent fraction. Now question number 4. See question number 4. From the fraction given below, pair of the equivalent fraction. We have to give one fractions and we have to do pair of equivalent fraction. Now first fraction is 2 upon 3. Now we have to find out the pair of equivalent fraction from this given fractions. Now if we multiply this fraction by 9 and numerator also 9, we get 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, means equivalent fraction of this is 2 upon 3 is equal to 18 upon 27. Now find out the next pair. First 5 upon 7. Now we multiply 2 at numerator and at denominator. Then we get 5 2s are 10 and 7 2s are 14. Means these and these two fractions are equal. See, 5 upon 7 is equal to 10 upon 14. We find out the equivalent fraction from these given fractions. First fraction is 2 upon 3 and pair with 18 upon 27. Second fraction is 5 upon 7 and equivalent fraction of this is 10 upon 14. Now next 5 upon 11. Now we multiply 3 at numerator and denominator, we get 15 upon 33, means equivalent fraction of this is 5 upon 11 is equal to 15 upon 33. See, 5 upon 11 and 15 upon 33. Now next 7 upon 9. If we multiply by 2, we get 7 2s are 14 and 9 2s are 18, means equivalent fraction of this is 7 upon 9 is equal to 14 upon 8. We find out this pair of equivalent fraction from the given fractions. Now question number 5. Find two equivalent fractions for each of the following fractions. Now we have to given these fractions and we have to find out equivalent fractions. Now first fraction is 7/9. Now to find out equivalent fraction, we first multiply by 2. 7/2, 9/2. We get 14/18. 14/18 is equivalent fraction. Now we have to find out two equivalent fractions. We can find this one. Now second one is 7/9 multiplied by 1, or we can say 3. Then 7 3s are 21, 9 3s are 27. Means equivalent fraction of this 7/9 is 14/18 or 21/27. This is the equivalent fraction for this 7/9. Now next fraction is 4/5. Now 4/5 multiplied by 4. We have to multiply by numerator and denominator by same number. Then we get equivalent fraction. 4 4s are 16. 5 4s are 20. And second equivalent fraction is 4/5 multiplied by 5. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. Means equivalent fraction to 4/5 is 16/20. Equivalent fraction is 20/25. We find these two equivalent fraction. Now third, 3/11. Now to get equivalent fraction, we multiply on numerator and denominator by same number. Say 3 into 2, 11 into 2. 3 2s are 6, 11 2s are 22. Now first and second fraction, equivalent fraction 3/11 multiplied by 4. Then we get 3 4s are 12, 11 4s are 44. Means equivalent fraction to 3/11 is 6/22 is equal to 12/44. Okay, we can take any number to multiply, but numerator and denominator is multiplied by same number. Okay, thank you for watching the video.